Welcome! In front of me is a REALME C67 and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. I'm going to swipe down once more to extend the list of visible toggles, and somewhere here we should have our screen recording toggle. For me it is right here in a corner, but chances are if you don't see it on this page you might find it on a secondary page or you might need to add it. But if I'm correct, screen recording is added by default, so we shouldn't need to be adding it. Anyway, once you see this, simply press on it. It will bring up this menu right here, as you can see, and gives us two options. So we can record audio, and we have several different options like device audio, microphone, both, and obviously if it's toggled off it's not going to record any audio. And below that we have the show touches on the screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot on the screen wherever your finger was pressing it. I will be enabling this just so you can see how that looks like on the recording. From there we can choose start. This will begin a countdown and then begin recording, which is indicated with the vibration. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the phone, with a little bit of a caveat which we can showcase as this garbage comes pre-installed with this device, though we don't have internet. Let's try to fix that. Oh, for goodness sake, come on. Oh, there we go, it is connected. There we go. So you can see we have a header right here with an option to sign in, and it's trying to load. There we go. Something else, whatever, we're gonna accept it just so there's no misconception. And scrolling down, you can see there's a bunch of things visible right here. Now, we can stop the screen recording by pulling down our notifications once more and selecting stop. This will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application, which I'll open right now and show you the recording. So navigate to library, and in here you will have screenshots album, and in here you find screenshots and screen recordings. And here's the screen recording that I have captured. Now the reason why I was doing this with a Netflix is because Netflix is one of those cunty applications that uses a feature of Android that is designed for security, to basically prevent you from using your device the way you want to. So it is designed to block screen recorders and screenshots from being taken in specific applications for security reasons, which you might imagine, for instance, bank applications would benefit from that. What doesn't benefit from that is garbage apps like Netflix, which use this to basically prevent you from being able to record your own screen recordings of like videos and stuff like that, because apparently it's so hard to find different ways of capturing your footage of shows and other stuff. So this is done just as a kind of deterrent to piracy, but let's be honest, there are way easier ways to do this and more convenient than recording crappy Netflix. So this is just a massive middle finger. And that being said, if you ever encounter a fully black screen, as you can see right here whenever I'm opening up the application, which is somewhere right here, that's basically the app. When I was scrolling through it, there was content visible here. So this is just what you will expect, and there is nothing you can do about it. You have zero control over this kind of effect, as it's part of Android, and app developer, I assume, can just choose if they want this or not, and you have nothing to say to that. And there's no way around it, as far as I know. So I just wanted to point that out. Whenever you encounter this, just know that you can have shit out of luck. And the simplest way said. But that being said, this isn't something that you might be encountering very often. It's just several handful applications that will utilize this, but still there are apps that will have this, and wanted to kind of clarify this. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.